so I'm a little bit short on time. We're about to leave and just packed up my laptop. Just gonna go downstairs, get my jacket, and then I am out. See you guys probably when I get to school. So I'm about to leave. Gotta move fast if I want to be on time. It is still dark as fuck because it's winter and motherfucker, I do not appreciate it. I will talk to you guys in a moment.
Kelly, wij zijn vrienden toch? Nee.
So I just got out of the autism center in school a little while ago, but that doesn't matter. Okay, now it's still raining, so I'm just gonna talk to you guys in a bit. See you when I get home. Alright, and we are back home. You guess that after 2 years I should probably be getting used to this right now, but it's still a bitch. I'm still exhausted. Anyway, we are home right now. I just stepped out of the autism center. As you saw in the last clip, it was just outside. And we had some good conversations, got to refill all my medication. I can pick that up on Monday. And I have exactly enough pills to get me that far, which is good. And drawings. You probably haven't seen this yet, though you did see a small clip of me working on it. I am sure you're going to enjoy this. Let's get the map. I will set up my computer in a moment. And let's get through it all. There we go. This, ladies and gentlemen, is my wyvern. Let me just make a few quick explanations. I drew this on request from someone in my class. Thank you very much if you're seeing this. I love the idea, and if you have any more ideas, please do give them to me, because I really enjoy this. Let's see. What else do we have? Well, this wyvern in particular that I made has a spike tail, which it can use to fend off enemies. It has some hard shells on its knees, so it can kick a bit better. It has razor sharp phalanx, each beautifully glowing. That is just a bit pompous, sorry. It has a long split tongue. It has a horned nose, has a bit of a triceratops crown. It has some loose skin for when it actually breathes fire, and its body is mostly that of a snake, except for the legs and the wings. The idea is that the wyvern can actually fly and bend its tail to help steer, but also bend it around the knees and the legs to keep them tighter. It's also the idea that this wyvern can actually roll around in itself, form itself into a ball, then starts spinning mid-air really fast, and when it gets to its enemy, it can actually whip out its tail and hit them with, let's say, near maximum velocity. Yes, that's a made-up background I just made for this. The information is probably not mythologically correct, but I don't care, I just like it and I love that I made it. Well, that's it for now. I will see you guys in a moment, or in a few hours, not really sure. But anyway, anywhere, anytime. Well, today sure is turning out boring. I'm not really sorry about this. I honestly thought it would be more exciting, but I guess you can't really have excitement every day of your life. No, without collapsing into a bleeding pile of ash, at least. You gotta have the easy days too. Let's see, sure to guys the wyvern, sure to guys everything. Yeah, there really isn't a lot more to do. Honestly, I'm just playing a game at this point. I I could record it, but I would probably have to download some software onto my phone, because if I were to record it with the camera, it would probably suck. I could put on some music and draw something. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, be right back. And here is the finished products. I drew y'all a mermaid. You may have noticed that I fucked up on a bit of the intricacies of the female body. I am not nearly familiar enough with it to be able to draw it well. So I am very sorry for the horrible and horrifying mistakes in the facial region, and for the equally terrible mistakes on... I am not going to mention it, because I want to get monetized eventually. Okay, anyway, I think the rest worked out pretty nice. The bubbles, the tail, little spins, the fin fabric rolling off of the hips so you know don't lie. Shadows, bit movement, one arm hiding behind it. I will still need to practice on my hands. Ha 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 ha. But for the rest, I think it came out pretty nice. Well, I'm actually gonna use this to end the day, because I'm about to cook, and then after an hour I need to take my pills and... Anyway, message of the day is, the day's pretty much done for me. I will talk to you guys tomorrow, and I hope you have enjoyed. See you guys later. I just asked for some advice for the mermaid, because as you could all see, it somewhat failed. I mean, not everything, it was a good attempt, but it still somewhat failed. So I went and get some advice. It's actually pretty good advice, gave me a bit of an insight. See, the fact is, most of my life, I have been my primary model for everything. Most of my drawings, every time I draw a male figure, I draw pretty much myself. Sometimes with a bit of a difference, but never too much, and that's admittedly. So I am a lot more adept at drawing the male figure. The female figure, not as much. I haven't really had any models, haven't really had anyone willing to pose or anything. It's kind of harder for me to draw the female figure. I am, however, going to practice on that, because I honestly want to improve my art style at every turn possible. And I really love drawing, and if something as stupid as not being able to draw the shoulders and waistline right is going to keep me from including more characters into big drawings that I can draw entire cities maybe one day, then that's just a waste. So I actually am going to try, and it is kind of late, so I'm probably gonna edit the videos. Then maybe draw some more, maybe I'll record it, I probably won't, maybe I won't even draw, I don't know, I still have some games to get back to, because, after all, I am a nerd. So I'll talk to you guys later, have a good night.